HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the standard language used to create the structure of web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It forms the structural foundation of every website you visit. HTML uses elements represented by tags to define different parts of a web page. Let's look at a basic HTML document structure. An HTML document starts with a doc type declaration, followed by HTML head and body tags. The head section contains meta information about the document, while the body contains the visible content. HTML includes various elements for creating content. Let's explore some common HTML tags. Let's look at the anatomy of an HTML tag, using a link as an example. HTML elements can nest inside one another, creating a hierarchical structure. This nesting is what organizes content into a logical structure that browsers can interpret. To summarize, HTML provides the skeleton of a web page, organizing content into a logical structure. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is the language used to style HTML elements, controlling how they appear on screen. Without CSS, HTML elements appear plain with browser default styling. With CSS, we can transform these elements by adding color, changing size, and applying many other visual properties. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying style properties to them. A CSS rule consists of a selector that targets HTML elements. Properties define which aspect you want to change, and values specify how you want to change it. CSS can be applied to HTML in 3 different ways. First, inline CSS is applied directly to HTML elements using the style attribute. Second, internal CSS is placed within style tags in the head section of an HTML document. Third, external CSS is written in separate CSS files and linked to HTML documents. The cascading part of CSS refers to how styles can override each other based on specificity and order. When multiple styles target the same element, the browser determines which styles to apply based on their specificity. CSS enables responsive design through media queries, allowing websites to adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Media queries let you apply different styles based on device characteristics, like screen width, making your website look good on any device. CSS is essential for modern web development, giving you precise control over how your HTML elements appear on screen.